Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science and technology for UPSC Prelims. First, thoroughly understand the syllabus and analyze past question papers to grasp the exam's demands. This initial step is crucial for effective preparation. Next, build a strong foundation in basic scientific concepts, especially from classes 6 to 10. Finally, stay updated with current affairs, as many questions link recent developments to core scientific principles. Now, let's discuss core areas and resources. Focus on high-yield topics like space technology, defense, and biotechnology, as these frequently appear in the exam. For foundational knowledge, NCERT textbooks from classes 6 to 10 are indispensable. Supplement this with government reports and official websites for accurate, updated information. Additionally, following reputable science and technology news sources daily will keep you informed on recent advancements. An effective study strategy is key. Create concise, topic-wise notes for quick revision, focusing on key facts and concepts. Regular practice with multiple-choice questions is vital to improve both speed and accuracy. Always analyze your incorrect answers to understand where you need to improve. Aim to dedicate at least 1 hour daily to science and technology, ensuring consistent progress and comprehensive coverage of the syllabus. Finally, mastering revision and current affairs is paramount. Regularly revise both static and dynamic portions of science and technology. Crucially, connect current events to their fundamental scientific principles, understanding their broader implications. Participate in mock tests frequently to simulate exam conditions and refine your time management skills. Staying updated with daily science and technology news from reliable sources will ensure you are always prepared for any new developments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.